Once upon a time in a faraway land, there be a man who needed to do a sound test. As he did this sound test, he went and did a few different words and names. Yeah. As you can see, being younger doesn't necessarily make one wiser. As I test the various voices I will use in the game of the books of the things that I'm doing, I will try to speak properly. So, where was I? I don't.
Terrifying.
Yeah.
Still recording.
Sorry. Well, it's a test.
All right. Gurgy wants poor conscience and mentions for Tenderhead. Please, master, don't smack poor Gurgy on his tender, fluffy little head. Oh, if only Gurgy could get his conscience and mentions. Humph! You call that? Humph! You call that what's going right with the world? Humph! I tell you what, us dwarves have really got to try to do these things and use this lower gruff voice. And it really hurts my voice. Tyrant of Caerdalben, what do you think you're doing? Why, I tell you, if you don't get out of my way this instant, I'm liable to smack you in the head. Welcome, my chicks. What do you think of our fine little land here? Poor little chicks, they don't know that they're lost. Why, whatever would we do with it? Oh, I don't know, but we'll still continue to test the audio anyway. Oh, please don't hurt me. You can see I'm not well. I'm not well at all. Oh, poor, whatever his name is. The poor guy who they keep having to squeeze and pummel, and oh man, it just doesn't work out very well. When I was a giant, nobody would bother me that way. I'm glue and I whine and I cry in this high nasally voice. King Smite! His voice is nice and loud, and King Smite is here!
And he's like, what'd I do?
And now I gotta figure out how to do the voice of the grumpy guy again. And King Smite is up here! And poor Glue is sitting here stinking through his nose. Well now, Tyrant of Caerdalben, as the prince of this particular story, I have to tell you, this is the voice I'll be using. Why don't you come over here and tell me that, boy? This is the name of the man that sits there and does the luck stuff, and I don't remember his name. Milano. Life is a forge. I'm the blacksmith, and I'm here to tell you that we're gonna pound that metal. Why, I'm just an old lady, which I need to make different than the ladies that are in the swamp. Oh, yes, my chick. It's really funny when I use that voice for the first time, and you see all the kids just go, ugh. They don't like the Scary Witch voice.
Daddy, is it still recording?
Yes, it is.
Oh my.
I believe that's the vast majority. Henwin is the best I can do for that one. Why, Fluid or Flam, if he were here, he would sound a lot like Yogi Bear. But he doesn't. I am wondering if this sound test is really necessary. But of all the things you could have told me, that one is the